Okay, everybody, I have to show you this. Now, there's a secret to catching snails. Now, these little guys, these little garden culprits, only come out at night. That's your first tip. And if you're gonna find them, you have to come out at night. It's about 10 o'clock right now. It's a good time. They won't come out at day. And the way you know where they've been is you'll look at your plants and you'll wake up the next morning and you'll see the snail trails. It's like a shiny, kind of a silvery film they leave. So I noticed that they were eating some of my plants over here, the snap peas, and you can see right here. Look at all this little stuff. You kind of see that they're eating. So they ate it, and then they ate some of this chard. So they're doing some damage. Snails are like definitely not good for your garden. But look how nice these snap peas are going. Looking amazing. Going up real tall. So what you want to do at nighttime is come out with your flashlight, and guess what I found? Look at that. What do you see there? What is that? It's a snail. And there's probably just one of them because I've been hunting these guys. Okay, so you want to go and get them. You cannot have these guys around. Okay, so let's just get him out. Set him here. These guys cause all types of damage to your garden. Okay. So we're going to just get them out of here. We'll just throw them over the fence or somewhere where they're not going to cause problems with your garden. So that may be the only one, because this is the only place where I was getting damage. So before they get too bad, you really want to come out and nip this in the butt, because you're going to lose. Look, I already lost the whole plant almost. My chard, and then every night this guy was planning on coming out and eating, getting a little food each night, and this is the time to catch him. So I didn't see any other damage. So the other tip is when it's raining, come out during the day even. When it rains a lot, they'll start coming out and just, you'll see them, because they don't want to get flooded out. When it's really raining hard is when they'll start crawling around, and you can catch a lot that way too. Now even over here, check this out. I'm gonna see if there's something under here. Sometimes they're under cardboard or pieces of wood. You always want to check around, but I know this is where I had damage. So wherever there's damage, there's a snail somewhere. So you definitely want to get them. So it looks like we're good. So I think there was just one big snail, and that's pretty much it. So that was, just wanted to show you guys that, and thanks for watching. You can press like or subscribe if you enjoyed this, and we'll see you on the next video.